We build trucks because it's fun. We build trucks because we're good at it. We build trucks because we do it the best. GODZ Manufacturing is much more than just a manufacturing company. We have our own product lineup and we're super proud of that, but in the effort of offering the absolute best off-road service we can, we make sure that we carry the biggest brands in the off-road world like Baja Designs, Carly Suspension. If you can dream it, we can build it.
Hey, I'm Grant Overturf. I'm co-owner here at GODZ Manufacturing. I'm the GO in GODZ. I've been in the truck industry since about 2017.
My name is Zedosky. I'm one of the owners here at GODZ Manufacturing. I'm the DZ in GODZ and been in the industry since about 2016.
What sets us here at GODZ apart is the love we have for the industry, building that relationship with the customer, becoming their friend, understanding what they need, and then making that build become what it is. You see that at the end of the process, and everyone's smiling, and you look at how much hard work's gone into this thing, and it's just the best feeling in the world.
If you were new and coming to me for the first time, we're going to start with the basics. What's your name? What do you drive? And what are you trying to do? And from there, we're going to make sure that you end up with a product or products that are right for you, but make sure they also get to you or ship to you in a timely manner, and figuring out how we can make you happy with what we've got to work with. From the moment you step foot in our shop, we are going to take every bit of time that you need to make the right decision to help you start your build. Whether it's just a simple leveling kit or you want to do a full build out with electrical work and lights and a bed rack and tents, we're going to sit there and make sure that you get taken care of and you feel comfortable with that whole process.
At the end of the day, are you going to be able to go to the other shop and be like, hey, this is a problem, or can you help me with this? We're here, we're 24/7, and we want to make sure that our work, we stand behind it.
Everything that we make is manufactured right here in our home state of Colorado, but most importantly, within the United States of America.